Hello beautiful viewers, welcome back to my channel Fashion Fables. If you're new my channel, so please subscribe and like my video. We are dwelling in the world of woman and the timeless art of Mehndi, also known as Henna Mehndi, has been an integral part of various cultures of countries, and its signification goes just beautiful designing on the skin. To truly understanding Mehndi, we must just explore its historical roots. Mehndi has been practiced in South Asia, Middle Eastern, and North Africa culture for countries. Its original can be touched back the actions traditional, where it was not just a form of body art but also carried cultures, religious and symbol signification. Mehndi is just not just about creating beautiful patterns, it's a form of self-expansive developed rooted in cultures. From bridal mehndi in Indian wedding to the celebrating of Eid in the Middle East, mehndi plays a vital role in expressing joy, love, and cultural identity. While mehndi has deep traditional roots, it has also evolved with time. Today we see fashion of traditional and modern design. With Mehndi arts, social media has played a significant role in our new trends and styles. Built-in ethics appeal. Mehndi has become a symbol of improvement from many women. It's a form of art that allows women to express themselves, celebrating the identity and enhance their uniqueness. The act of playing mehndi can be deeply personal and improving expensive. As we work up this in the world of women's and mehndi, we hope you gain it developer for the beautiful art form. Whether you are stepping to traditional in paying the way from modern expensive, mehndi continue to captivity and content people crosses the globe. Thank you for joining us today on my Fashion Fables. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And we'll see you never the next episode. Until next time, keep celebrating the beauty of mehndi design.